So Infinix, just like Apple and Microsoft, decided to skip my favorite number and jump to the number 10. Anyway, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is one of Infinix's latest addition to the Note series, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about everything you should know about the Infinix Note 10 Pro. I'll be sharing my thoughts about this device and telling you guys if it's worth its price. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech, let's shoot. Before we begin, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video like this. And if you did subscribe, head down to the comment section and type hi, I have subscribed. I promise to respond to your comments. So let's start with the display. It's a huge phone. It has a 6.95-inch LCD 1080p 90Hz display with a punch hole housing the selfie camera. It's a nice display, not super AMOLED but still pretty good. The frame and rear of the device is made from plastic, however it has a matte finish. There are 3 color options available: black, purple and Nordic Secret. But Infinix, why not? Now the Nordic Secret has that matte finish all through the rear of the device. However, the black and purple color options have that matte finish half of the rear and the other half is glossy plastic. The fingerprint scanner is located on my preferred position, the power button. So what is your preferred position for the fingerprint scanner? Is it on the rear, on the power button like me, or right on the display? Let me know in the comments below. The headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, and the speaker is found at the bottom of the device. That's one of the speakers, because the Infinix Note 10 Pro has stereo speakers. Price. The Infinix Note 10 Pro costs $239 or 115,000 naira for the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage variants. The Infinix Note 10 Pro has a total of 5 cameras, 4 at the back and 1 at the front, a 64-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel depth and monochrome cameras, and a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. It's capable of shooting 4K video on the main sensor and 1080p video on the selfie camera. It's running Android 11 on XOS 7.6 and is powered by the MediaTek Helio G95 processor. So gaming on the Infinix Note 10 Pro is no problem, it's a breeze. We have a 5000 mAh battery on the Infinix Note 10 Pro with 33 watts of fast charging. The Infinix Note 10 Pro is a gorgeous phone. It has a decent display, great cameras, a powerful gaming chipset, stereo speakers, big battery with fast charging. It's a really good device. So whether it's content consumption, gaming, or you just want a big device that is fast and looks great, the Infinix Note 10 Pro is a great choice. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I'd like to know what you think of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. Just head down to the comments and let me know. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoe. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in my next video.